Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Before you scroll away, give me a minute. This video is part nostalgia, part chaos, and 100% proof that we once had more energy than we do now. While going through some old video clips, I stumbled upon these gems and instantly knew this had to turn into a birthday video. Not gonna lie, most of these clips were shot in terrible lighting. But hey, those were the days when birthday eves had to include a midnight cake cutting. Glad to say we have grown out of that habit now, the hard truth of being in your 30s, I guess. Either way, this video is a fun little throwback, a quick trip down memory lane to revisit moments from our younger, slightly more energetic selves. Okay, so we are rolling now. I am sitting at my study table, just trying to look at all the notes that I've prepared during the day. Camera is not properly adjusted, I believe. I hope it works. Okay, today is 21st September and tomorrow is Jigne's birthday, Gaurav's birthday, and we are going to go for dinner with him right now. So last year we decided that we are going to start a trend of celebrating the birthday on the days and not a night before. So we thought that this year we are going to change that, but on my birthday these guys came here, so we decided to do the same on Jigne's birthday. So this is what, 7:53 right now, and we'll head for SF, pick a cake, and then have dinner, and then wait at Jigne's place till 12 and celebrate, cut the cake, and come back. That's the plan. And I have such a busy schedule these days. So I have presentations to prepare and my eyes literally hurt. It could be a nice, outing for me. And Vaibhav is ready as usual before me.
Just Patrick needs here.
And he's trying to boss around.
I'm not trying to boss around. I'm really frustrated today.
Yeah, same here. My eyes are going through something. Can't even explain what thing. Taking my watch along. Camera at different angles. Patrick is already here to pick us up. Is this going to be not helpful in SF weather? No, it's not, right? Itna aisa kya hi hoga? Chalo, let me lace up my shoes.
Are you getting the camera? Yes. Shouldn't we?
It's a little risky to take your expensive things in SF. We'll see, honey. We'll see. So after setting aside the frustration from the whole day's work and the anxiety of the task due in the next couple of days, we were determined to take a much-needed break and spend some quality time with friends. For a moment, the deadlines and to-do lists faded into the background, replaced by the simple comfort of familiar faces and easy laughter. It wasn't a long escape, but it was exactly what we needed. We got ready and headed out to join Patrick in his car.
Camera! Flaunting the new camera!
We are now in Patrick's car. Light is low. Patrick is driving.
पीछे से background effects दो.
तुम्हारे background effects पता है मुझे क्या होता है. So last year we celebrated Jigne's birthday at Golden Gate Bridge, Embarcadero.
मतलब on the way तो नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब
थोड़ा सा detour है. 10 मिनट का detour है. हाँ,
चलो.
अबे वो drop shipping. नहीं.
Drop.
अरे कॉफी उठा लेते हैं.
Drive through. On the way, we had to make the mandatory cake stop. Vaibhav has gone to pick up the cake from Cold Stone. We are parked in emergency at a non-parking space. And Patrick is giving me response. He doesn't know that I'm vlogging. How was your day? How was your day? And just as I expected, after peeking into the cake box, I confirmed that Vaibhav had brought the exact same cake I had on my birthday this year. So yes, after exactly 1 week, we were about to relive the same cake experience. Consistency is key, my friends. Yeah, and it's a good thing that it is a small one of to San Francisco. The rest of the drive was business as usual. अरे खिड़की कौन खोला बे?
Patrick खोला.
So we reached SF and now we are waiting for Jigne on the street and take us to his apartment. then we are going to put cake there safely in the refrigerator, and after that we'll go for dinner. For some reason SF seems unsafe to me, especially during the night, especially when I'm vlogging. I don't vlog usually in SF, but yeah, today is an exception. We parked right outside the apartment building, and soon enough the birthday boy aka Gaurav arrived in the elevator to let us in.
चिकनी तुमने कहाँ से मारी?
बेटा ये खरीदी हमने मोंटाना में।
मोंटाना 5K?
बेटा पैसा खर्चा कर दिया तुमने कपड़े पे, हाँ?
कितनी सही टी-शर्ट है राइट?
सही है यार, पैसा खर्चा कर दिया तुमने भाई कपड़े पे।
ये ऊपर पिघल जाएगा ऊपर साइड।
भाई
कितना सही है? It's quirky. Look at that.
ओ यार।
You're neat.
तो पहले भी था ना?
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं था क्या?
There have been some additions.
जो मैंने वो कर।
जो मैंने वो करूँ, फुग्गा फोड़ दूँ।
I'm wondering who eats before their birthday dinner. Who eats before their birthday dinner? Chicken.
या एक सैल्मन खा लेते हैं दूसरा वो।
No other than chicken.
चिकनी की बर्थडे केक में चिकनी भी नहीं लिखवा सकते यार। चिकनी फोटो वोटो खींच के घर नहीं भेज पाएगा ना, अगर भेजेगा तो लोग मुझे चिकनी खाना है चिकनी।
हाँ.
बेटा चिकनी
प्यार से चिकनी बुलाते हैं. खाना रहे हो?
पकवान।
आज पकवान ही खाएंगे। पैट्रिक भाई जो है साउथ में से आके
चलो चलो
यहाँ खाएंगे और मुझे खूब गाली देंगे।
The plan was simple, dinner somewhere in SF. Indian food it was. The place seemed pretty famous, at least judging by the crowd on a weekday night. We placed our order, grabbed a table outside, and after what felt like a very long wait, the food finally arrived.
खाना तो काफ़ी है बेटा।
Finally, orders here.
अभी रुको मैं सबकी चम्मच से पोछ के दे रहा हूँ। The service is complimentary.
सही बात।
Where is the birthday boy?
अरे भाई कितनी चम्मच ले आए? Oh man. ज़्यादा आ गया अब लग रहा है। कोई बात नहीं, दो तो खाएंगे यार।
Totally worth it. With full stomachs and low energy levels,
What's up?
the only plan left was to head back to Gaurav's place. And since the clock had already struck 12, it was officially cake cutting time.
इसमें कितने 33 कैंडल्स लाया कि नहीं लाया? गौरव के लिए कुछ कार्ड पड़ा हुआ है।
Oh my god.
कौन है ये?
Oh my god.
गौरव ने देखा भी नहीं, हमने नोटिस नहीं। So negligence.
सही में देगा। ये इसके बीच में भी कुछ।
It was such a good feeling to just be there with friends. A long, tiring day, but honestly, मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ कर रहा है.
चलो, let's celebrate.
आज म्यूजिक पे करो।
All I wanted at that point, a big piece of cake and some solid sleep.
हाँ, कोको अच्छा नहीं, अच्छा नहीं, मैं उसको अरे मैं ही बोल रहा था कि अच्छा सब बुझानी थी, ये एक बचानी होती है।
But that's okay. चलो
चलो to you to you dear Gaurav, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you।
कितना छोटा काटा है इसने?
तो खुद खाएंगे।
अरे इसको बात इसका रखना।
नहीं वो पहले तो मैं खिलाऊंगा ना इसको। Bro, karo.
ये
Happy birthday bro। आ करो, बर्थडे की तो नानी करते आ करो, आ करो।
तो तुम्हारा आएगा।
हाँ तो आएगा तो करना ना, तो हाँ करेंगे। आ करो आ।
कितना बड़ा फेस है यार।
अच्छा आज हम अपने हाथ से खिलाएंगे ना।
विश्वास नहीं।
और खाओ,
खाना पड़ेगा।
Bro ये मेरे पूरे मंथ की कैलोरीज।
खाओ।
चिकनी ने सैलमन खा रहा था।
और लीजिए सर।
Chickney was having some fats, proteins. A little bit of carbs.
But I think इस लौंडे की जो biceps बनी है, मुझे खा के बनी है. So I'll drink this.
हम तुम लोगों को रिकमेंड करते हैं रसमलाई का एक डिब्बा रोज खाओ, मतलब रोज नहीं, हर वीक में एक बार खाओ।
वो ऐसे
शुगर आया हो गया उसको।
हर मालविका के बाद
अभी बात कर लेंगे इतने बड़ा। चलो ब्रो 3 पीस 4 पीस करो।
4 नहीं 3 हम काजू।
नहीं, और क्या बोल रहा था मैं, क्या बोल रहा था? अरे
केक को तूने कभी देखा केक को ऐसे हैंडल करते हुए?
Just when we thought the night was wrapping up, Gaurav decided to showcase one last talent, expertly packing the leftover cake into a box. The way he handled those tongs truly proved he's a pro at whatever he chooses to do. Pun very much intended. Just look at that finesse. ढक्कन लगाओ, ढक्कन।
ढक्कन लगाएंगे तो ये तो चला जाएगा।
इसके ऊपर ढक्कन ही तो कुछ ब्लेड से लगा दो।
And with a relaxed goodbye session at the apartment door, we officially wrapped up Gaurav's birthday eve celebration.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed this little throwback. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.